Hi, I'm Paul Fairclough. I'm the Dean of Higher Education here at Lakes College, and I'm here to tell you about our new relationship with the Open University and the new degree programs that are being validated with the Open University, which will become available in the very near future. The Open University are a wide-ranging university across the UK with many thousands of students and been very successfully delivering degree courses now for over 50 years. And our partnership with the Open University means that we can start to develop programs with flexible delivery models and supporting people who want to access our degree courses who wouldn't normally be able to access due to work constraints. Such degrees coming online are foundation degrees in low carbon energy technology, manufacturing for nuclear, and in the near future, leadership management and digital technologies. All of these degrees will be available on a blended delivery model, meaning that you can study from home, whilst also coming into the college for 1 week blocks each year, supporting practical activities such as, for example, the robot that's sitting behind me. What this means is that if you are in full-time employment or you are having difficulty accessing formal education through formal delivery models, our approach enables you to study from home whilst also having the opportunity to gain access to advanced technical equipment. In addition to our Open University collaboration and new programs, we're also delivering new higher national programs in bioscience and biotechnology and different pathways within H&C, H&D digital technology. Again, the delivery models for these programs are there to improve access and to give you as students an opportunity to access higher education outside of the normal delivery models. Here at Lakes College, we have extensive resources to enable us to deliver higher education qualifications and a very experienced delivery team. If you want to gain access to our courses, then please visit our website, whereby all the courses are available for you to review, consider your options, and also for you to apply. And also, if you wish, to contact a member of our admissions team for additional further information.